Shalom, here is Rabbi Nico again in a video, but this time for a very special occasion. It is hard to believe that it's been a year since I arrived to Fullerton, to North Orange County, together with my family. And the special occasion is the rabbinical installation. But the rabbinical installation is in fact congregational, a community celebration. We celebrate our decision to share our journeys here at TVT. During this year, we had many opportunities. We were together in many simches. We were together also in many sad occasions. We share spirituality. We share cultural life. Here at TVT, here in community, we share our lives, we share our journeys, and that's what we are celebrating on the 26th, 27th. We start at 5:45 with a Shabbat dinner, followed by the very musical service, desserts afterwards, and there's going to be a wonderful event at night. We call it Rapping with rabbis, with lots of stories, wonderful Jewish melodies, and some schnapps. Saturday morning, special Torah study at 8:30. Listen very carefully, 8:30. We have Torah study led by Rabbis Davids and Levin, who will come especially from Israel. At 9:30, we have our Shacharit Shabbat service, in which the installation itself is going to happen. I'm very excited about that and about sharing this service and that moment with you. And the Shabbat service is going to be followed by lunch. In the afternoon at 6, we get together for Seudah Shlishit Shel Shabbat, the third meal of Shabbat, and Havdalah, a normal Shabbat dinner, third meal of Shabbat. No, we have an Argentinian barbecue, empanadas, an open bar. We will have dancing. We'll have a Havdalah with all TVT's musicians playing with us. It's going to be a wonderful celebration. It's going to be outside, so dress casual, be comfortable to dance, and come to enjoy a wonderful evening with us. But the most important thing about this entire weekend is about us. We will celebrate our history, we will think about our identities, we will celebrate our present, and we will dream about our future together, our future as a community. So we need you here. We want to share this weekend with you because what we are trying to share is our journeys. At TVT, every week, every year, and also this weekend. So I'm looking forward to seeing you here at TVT. להתראות.